Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to complete the remaining practice questions and we will do a revision worksheet also. So please take your workbook, page number 23. Practice questions. Question number 19 we are going to do now. Okay, question number 19. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. So both the orders we have to write, ascending and descending order. What is ascending order?
Smallest to biggest.
Arrangement of numbers from smallest to biggest. Descending order?
Biggest to small.
It's just reverse.
Biggest to smallest.
And page number 23.
Ma'am,
So right,
no book bag. My sister house.
so write in notebook or rough book, whatever you have in that you please note down.
Ma'am, sister no bag. Sister is my sister house.
Okay, dear. Please write in your rough book or something. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So ascending order. First question, let us write the ascending order. 87.
Ma'am,
My dear, space will be there down in that blank space. The page number 23. You'll be having space to write answers. So ascending order.
no space.
Sorry.
Notebook.
No, dear, in the workbook itself, down to practice questions. Down to question number 20, space will be there to write answer.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 23.
23.
Now, please listen everyone. After that, we can write. One question I'll explain for you. After that, you have to do. My dear children, here all the numbers may not be 3-digit numbers. So you have to check the number of digits also. Please keep in mind. Question A, 87, 381, 892. Then what is the next number? This one?
19.
90. Is it a 2-digit number or 3-digit number?
2-digit number.
It's a 2-digit number. If 0 is coming in front, no need to consider that. Okay, so here 2-digit numbers are there, 3-digit numbers are there. So 2-digit numbers or 3, we have to arrange in ascending order. To arrange in ascending order, we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. So 2-digit number or 3-digit numbers. One will be the smallest. 2-digit numbers or 3-digit number?
2-digit number.
2-digit numbers will be the smaller. So we have two-digit numbers, that is 87 and 90. In that, among these 2-digit numbers, which one will be the smallest?
19.
19 will be the smallest. 87, we have 87 and 19. That are the two-digit numbers. That are the smallest number. That are the numbers we have to compare to get the smallest number. So in that 19 is the smallest. So first we have to write 19. After that, after 19, what we have to write?
87.
87. And after that, after 87, we have to compare 381, 890. 381 Then
892.
892. That is the biggest one. Now the same numbers we have to arrange in descending order.
Memorize.
Wait, listen this. After that you can write. Descending order. Descending order is the, what is the order descending? How to arrange? From
Biggest to
biggest to smallest. Here it is very easy to write because we already arranged in ascending order. We write in the reverse order, it will be descending order. Okay. So reverse order means we have to write 892, then 381, then 87, then 9.
90.
This is the descending order. The same way, please do the next questions. Now it is A we have written, B, C. Please do fast. Please arrange in ascending and descending order. Ivania, please turn on your video. Please arrange in ascending and descending order. Both the orders we have to write. And once we have done ascending order, it is very easy to write descending order because just opposite or in the reverse, or if you write in the reverse order, it will be correct. Sankalp, have you written answer? Please show me a thumbs up if you have completed. Show me a thumbs up. Okay. Krishnang, are you okay now? Please unmute.
Okay.
Okay.
What about your mother?
Okay.
Oh. Everybody, please do fast. Esther, last few days you were on leave. What happened? Esther, please unmute. Can you hear me? Esther, unmute and tell me what happened. Unmute and tell. What happened? Few
Yes,
days. What happened? Few days. Last week.
Not hear you.
Cannot hear me. What about the others?
I was not here.
Sorry.
I was. My mom goes to UK.
Okay. That's why. So, dear children, let us discuss the answer.
Ma'am, I don't have place.
Sorry?
I don't have place.
If you don't have, please take your notebook and copy down the answer. Okay. Shiza, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question B. Ascending order. Which is the smallest one among the given numbers?
87.
Question B I am asking, my dear. Now we are doing question B. 421, 26, 32, 190. Which is the smallest? 26. We have to compare 26 and 32 to get the smallest. These are the 2-digit numbers. So in that, 26 is the smallest one. After that, after 26,
26 and
next smallest is
32.
32. Then 2 numbers are remaining, 421 and 190. Which one is the smaller? Which one is smaller?
100 and
119. 119. After that,
400.
not 400, my dear. 421.
421.
Okay. Now, correct, my dear. Now, Rukma, please unmute and give me the descending order for the same. Descending order. Rukma, can you hear me?
420.
421.
21.
Okay. After that, 19. Just reverse. We have to write. Just reverse. Okay. 119. Then
32.
one more is there.
26.
Yes. Correct answer, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, welcome, dear. Now, question C. Question C. Alna. Where is our Alna? No. Let Ivan say answer. Wait, Alna. I'll give you next question. Ivan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ascending order. That means you have to find the smallest one. 108. Please check your workbook. That question is there. 108, 183, 41, 42. Which is the smallest?
100.
Which is the smallest?
41.
41.
100.
After that?
42.
42.
119. 90.
Then?
108. 108.
Wait. Please see here.
108.
108. Correct, my dear. Then?
183.
Very good. Correct answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, don't mute. Let Ivania say the descending order. Ivania, descending order. If we write in the reverse order, it will be descending order. So please tell me the reverse order, which is the biggest one. Ivania, which is the biggest number among this?
183.
183. Don't say 183. You have to say
183.
Then after that, just say the reverse order of the ascending. Like the reverse order, if we write after that, what we have to write?
110.
108. Okay, then after that, what is written here? Reverse order. We have to write the opposite order of ascending. So here what is written?
402.
No, it's 42. It's a two-digit number. No hundreds, please. 42. After that,
And 41.
yes. Now the smallest one is 41. This is the descending order.
Thank
Biggest
you,
to,
ma'am.
welcome dear. Biggest to smallest. Here 183 is the biggest and 41 is the smallest. Have you all completed?
No. Alvin completed.
Okay.
No.
So those who have completed, please do the next question. That means we have to form the greatest and smallest three-digit number using the given digits. So please do that. Those who have completed, please do that.
Page number?
Page number, same page. Why 23? Page number 20.
have space.
If you don't have space, please take the notebook. See, near to the question itself, you can write the answer. No problem.
Finish.
Rima completed this one. So here itself, you can write the answer. No need to take the notebook.
Descending order and ascending order and descending order finished.
Okay. Now for question number 20, please write the answer over here. If you have space over here. Smallest. Greatest. Smallest. Greatest.
C question are they not completed? Greatest spelling.
Greatest. In the question itself, spelling is there, my dear. Greatest, smallest.
Greatest spelling.
So to form greatest number, we have to arrange the greatest digit in hundreds place, next greatest in tens place, next the smallest one in ones place. To form the smallest number, we have to write the smallest digit in hundreds place, next smallest in tens place, next one in the biggest one in ones place. Only when zero comes, when you make smallest number, you should be careful. Okay.
Ma'am, please up.
Why dear?
Ma'am, please up.
Not completed?
No, please up, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So first one, let us do first one. 107. Which is the greatest digit?
7.
That we have to write in the hundreds place. Wait. Please wait. Please wait. Okay. So greatest 7. After that, after 7, which is the next greater?
1.
1. In tens place, what we have to write?
0.
0. Oh, so you read this number?
710.
710. But when you form the smallest number, should be careful because 0 is there. When 0 is there, usually what we have to do to make smallest number, you have to write the smallest digit in hundreds place.
Place.
But when 0 comes, 0 is the smallest. Can we write that in hundreds place? Can we write 0 in hundreds place? If we write 0 in hundreds place, like this will come. Is it a 3-digit number?
No.
No, it's only a 2-digit number. So 0, where we should write 0?
In tens place.
In tens place. Very good, dear. In tens place. And other than 0, which is the smallest?
1.
1. 1 we should write in hundreds place. And now 7 is remaining, that is we have to write in ones place. What is the number? What is the number?
107.
107. The same way.
107.
Yes, please do the other questions B and C. Please do fast. Naomiga, please do fast. Please form greatest and smallest number. Ananya, please turn on your video. Your videos are off. Please turn on your videos, everyone. Okay, hello. Please unmute. Unmute, my dear. Cannot unmute. Hello. Okay. So, question B, 2, 3, 4. From the greatest number.
400. 400. 400.
Tens place. Tens place.
Tens place 3.
3. Ones place.
2.
2. Will you read this number?
432.
432. Correct answer, my dear. Good. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome, dear. Now, Ananya, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
The smallest number that we can form using the digits 2, 3, and 4.
2.
The smallest digit is 2 here. In tens place,
3.
3. Ones place,
4.
4. So will you read this number?
234.
Correct answer, my dear. Good. Now, Alna, please unmute. Unmute, my dear. The greatest number that we can form using the digits 908.
9.
9 in which place?
100 place.
Then tens place,
8.
Ah.
10 place 8.
ones place,
0.
0. Will you read this number?
980.
980. Correct answer, my dear. Now, next question. Smallest number. To form smallest number. Yes, Alvin. Please give me answer. Smallest number. Alvin.
100 place 8. Yes.
Hundreds place.
100.
Hundreds place we have to write.
0.
What we have to write in hundreds place?
0.
Can you hear me, dear?
Yes.
Hundreds place. 9 or 8? 0 or 8?
0.
No, my dear. 0 we are not allowed to write in hundreds place. I told you in the beginning.
800 and 809.
Now it's correct. 0 we have to write in tens place. After that, 9 is there, 8 is there. In that, 8 is the smallest. And after that, we can write 9. So 809 is the smallest number.
800 place.
Yes, and we are written. So thank you, my dear children. You have all
Thank
done
you,
very well. But you have to take your notebook. Please take your notebook. Now, take your notebook. Have you all completed this one? Is there anybody left to complete?
No. Yes, ma'am. I am completed.
Okay, take your notebook. Everybody.
Ma'am, school open November is 1.
That we will discuss later, my dear. Okay. Now
Okay.
take your
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
sorry, take your notebook, everyone. You have
Ma'am,
to.
I didn't finish, ma'am.
Who didn't finish? Hamdan. I'll share the answers in the group, my dear.
Class
Okay.
time is
Check,
up.
do it yourself and check your answer. Now take your
Class
notebook.
time is up.
Take your notebook. Abel, are you feeling hungry? Feeling hungry?
No.
Then 4 more minutes are there. Okay. Please sit. Take your notebook. Now we have to do a revision worksheet. For that,
Revision
worksheet. Now no need to write the question. Only you want to write the answer. So please open your notebook and give the heading revision worksheet. I'll write it for you. Please wait. Okay. Only first 4 questions we are going to discuss now.
We should take
So-
notebook.
Write the heading. In the notebook, you can write the heading. Chapter 3.
Answer.
Only to write answer now. Please give the heading. Revision worksheet. Revision worksheet. Revision worksheet. Worksheet. Chapter 3.
And we should write.
Yes, the notebook. Revision worksheet. Chapter 3.
And revision spelling REVISION.
Yes.
And we have to write this in the notebook.
Yes, my dear. No need to write question. Only you have to write this answer. Take a new page and write the heading.
And we don't have enough time to write.
It's okay. Only to write heading. No, you have space. Time.
Ma'am,
Okay. After writing that, one by one, we can write the answer.
I will be not in the 420s class.
Sorry.
I will be not in the 420 class.
You were not up. Okay. What happened? What happened here?
I'm going to a doctor.
Consulted doctor. Okay. Okay. So first question.
Ma'am, can you send in this? I consider heading. WhatsApp.
Revision worksheet, chapter 3.
Can you send in the WhatsApp?
Yes, I will share both the question and answer in the group. But you have to write the answer. Please try to write the answer. First question, the largest 3-digit number is dash. Please try to write the answer for that. No need to say, put question number 1 and try to write the answer. The largest 3-digit number is dash. Write the answer. Everybody. Only the answer. Put question number 1 and write the answer. Somebody's voice is breaking. I cannot hear you. Who can give me the answer for that?
Ma'am, can you Ma'am, that can say, ma'am.
Yes, Hamdan. Yes, Hamdan. Let Hamdan say answer. Hamdan, please tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. The
Largest 3-digit number
is
900.
909.
Sorry, Hamdan, please.
999.
Yes, 999. Correct answer, my dear. So now just we started. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Okay. So thank you, my dear children. Now time is up. Bye, bye, bye.